Look, mateys, are you ready for your handwriting practice today? Get your fish fingers ready, or you'll have to walk the plank and swim with these here fishies.
Aye, Captain! Aye, Captain! Aye, Captain! Aye, Captain!
Exercise 1. Stretch out those fish fingers. Stretch. 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 Stretch, 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 stretch. Stretch, 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 stretch. Stretch, 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 stretch. Stretch. Exercise 2. Jellyfish. 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 Don't forget to use both hands, pirates. Jellyfish. And your final exercise, pirates, is snap, snap, shock. Show me how you hold a pencil. Snap, snap, shock. Snap, snap, shock. Snap, snap, shock. Snap, snap, shock. Remember not to hold your pencil too tightly, pirates, or your hand will hurt. Snap, snap, shock. Great work, everybody. I won't make you walk the plank today, but I might need you to scrub the deck later.
Thank you, Captain! Thank you, Captain! Thank you, Captain! Thank you, Captain!
So this is your comfort zone today, everybody. You've got two words here and they've both got the sound in them. T and tw, I, twirling. So I want you to focus on your ascenders. So t and a h. Do you notice the t is not as high as the h? Okay. Is our digraph, our sound of the week. E, and I'm trying to keep my letters on the line, and this is a descender, so it will go below the line. Try to keep your letters the same size if they're not ascenders or descenders. And this is twirling, down, up, and across the T. W. Oops, I joined that one up by mistake. U. I. I'm going to write that one again. Tw. I. U. Notice that U is nice and tall. Ing. That's the suffix on the end. Now once you've done a whole row of these, you can pick the one that is the best one on each line, and then you can circle the neatest one. Hopefully your neatest one will be near to the end of the line and not the first one, because if it's the first one that's the best, your writing has become worse as you've been practicing, and usually when you practice it's going to become better, so your best one should be near the end. So this is your challenge zone, everybody. It's a different in that you are joining up the sound here. So I'm just going to practice and show you. You come down for your I, and you keep your pencil down, or your pen, come down for the R and go up, still a robot, and then you dot it. Okay, let's try again. You could say it as you do it. It's going to help you to remember it. Remember it's a robot. Okay, so the word 30, you just write the as normal, and then you're getting ready to join up. There you go, and then you do your t and your y. 30. Now twirling, let's try t, w. Okay, now ready for the join. I, O, I, Give this a go. I can't wait to see how you are getting on with your joining. Good luck, everybody.